客户门户是一个有用的系统，您的公司可以通过它与客户进行沟通。通过强大的协作也可以轻松实现这一点，从而提高客户满意度。分析和跟踪收入等业务流程变得更加容易，因为该门户是在构建时考虑到客户的。该系统具有强大的知识管理能力，因为它们可以以安全且有组织的格式容纳大量重要文档。随着成本也得到控制，拥有优质客户门户实际上没有任何缺点，但只有好处。
It must be logged in with right permission. Access by URL, https://erp.ssaudit.com. Access via SmartBooks website as screen capture at top and bottom web pages. Financial statement. CustomerPortal provide financial information and analyst summary for top management's decision making. Dashboard. Customer number. Total customers. More info is linked to customer list. Vendor number. Total vendors. More info is linked to vendor list. Receivable overdue. Receivable amount would be overdue. More info is linked to receivable customer report. Payable overdue. Payable amount would be overdue. More info is linked to payable to vendor report. Monthly recap report. Sales amount by month. Compare this year and last year. Vendor active year to date. Number of vendors who have at least one of activities this year versus total vendors. Customer active year to date. Number of customers who bought at least one of products this year versus total customers. Receive overdue versus income. Receivable amount would be overdue versus income. Sales versus target. Sales amount year to date versus target total sales amount last year. Total revenue. Total amount of revenue components compare with last year. Higher is good. Total cost. Total amount of cost components compare with last year. Lower is good. Total profit. Total amount of profit compare with last year. Higher is good. Balance sheet. The balance sheet expresses the financial position of a business. It shows three things about a business's financial health: its assets, liabilities, and shareholder equity, or capital. When combined, these three elements make up the worth of the business for the period the balance sheet covers. Income statement. Also called the profit and loss (P&L) statement, the income statement helps determine whether the business turned a profit or loss for each period. An income statement summarizes a business's profitability and financial results for a period. It focuses on revenue and expenses. This financial report shows what it costs to create your products and services and keep the business running. It is handy to compare how an organization's revenues increase or decrease over multiple periods. Manufacturing and non-manufacturing report provides managers and employees with clear, detailed information about a manufacturing company's production data. This allows business decisions to be based on facts, including detailed information on products, production rates, and efficiency. Manufacturing performance reporting can cover inventory control, scheduling and planning, and overall equipment effectiveness (OE). Detailed manufacturing process reports can be used to make smarter business decisions, impacting overall efficiency and helping to identify potential challenges or issues before they become a problem. With advanced reproduction reporting software, manufacturers can gain this information in real time for optimal efficiency. Cost of goods sold is reported on your income statement along with revenue. It's a key component in calculating two crucial business figures: gross profit and gross profit margin. Gross profit is calculated by subtracting costs of goods sold from revenue, and its margin is obtained by dividing gross profit by revenue. Customer Dashboard. Customer active by year chart. Compare the active customers in 3 years. Customer active by month chart. Number of customers have bought any products through months this year. Top 10 customers report. List of 10 customers that have largest sales amount. Compare with total sales. Customer outlet. Number of new customers, returning customers and lost customers in this year. Vendors. Dashboard. Vendors active by year chart. Vendors active by month chart. Top 10 vendors report. Vendors outlet. Number of new vendors, returning vendors and lost vendors in this year. Expense dashboard. Expense overall chart. Compare the cost components in this year. It could be click on the label of components to hide or show the components in chart. Expense by period chart. Compare the cost components month by month. It could be click on the label of components to hide or show the components in chart. Income statement. Statement of income current year which highlighted the cost components. Revenues dashboard. Revenues overall chart. Revenues by period chart. Income statement. Cash managements. Employee advances by period. Advances by this year for each employee. Cashbook by period for each bank account. Cashbook month to date. Choose period and load data. Inventory year to date by site and product. Sales year to date by product. Sales year to date by customer. Sales month to date by product. Purchase year to date by product. Purchase year to date by vendor. Purchase month to date by product. Inventory year to date by product and class. Product information. We can click on product name for detail. Thank you for choosing to spend your time with us.